Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to preserve your blowout. I got this blowout about 5 days ago and I go to the gym every day, so I know a lot of you have the same kinds of questions. How do I make my blowout last longer? How do I make my hair look less greasy? These are my two favorite dry shampoos, or you could call it your blowout extender. This is the Redken Pillow Proof, and this one is just the Wella Dry Shampoo. It smells great. It's called Dry Me. You want to take each section separately and spray it directly at the root, over directing each section. Okay, so really get in there. Part it right at the root. Work it in, baby. Work. Okay. Now I'm gonna blow dry my roots a little bit just to get the product moving. And here we go. Section out the front here, and we want all the waves going away from our face. Okay. Start in the middle of your strand. Wrap around and click your way down, okay? Click, all the way down. I like to leave the end out because it leaves a more natural beachy look. So you'll see, I clicked it down there, click, roll it up a little bit to get some volume in the root area. And then we're gonna click out, okay? Here's our curl that we just did. Now make sure you let your curls cool. As soon as you take the curling iron out, do not run your fingers through it because the bonds are still resetting in the cuticle of your hair. You have to let them reset before you go and run your fingers through it. Okay, now that my curls have cooled, Redken Diamond Oil spray, and spray it on my ends only just to add some shine, okay?
Invincible.
I hope you all enjoyed creating this beachy look with me, and I'll see you next time.